What if you could tap into all the knowledge that Wall Street has for less than $1 per day? The fact is, AI holds all the financial knowledge in the world. Decades of financials from all public companies, earnings transcripts, financial analyst reports, and projections for prices for the history of the stock market. The traits that past companies that have grown to be titans and how they did it in the history behind it. The problem, most of investors don't have access to all this data. I do, and now you too can have access to all the data on the financial world. I've trained an AI agent to analyze all this data. The past 10 years of financial data, that is balance sheets, income statement, cash flow statements, and all the analyst work of the past 10 years. And then my AI agent delivers me a 20-page document analyzing the stocks, which includes 3 years, 26, 27, and 28 price projections. I then share that information on my website with my tribe members. It's here on my tell sheet. That's the data I care about, and I believe you should care about. Not the noise of the day, not the tariffs, not the interest rates, not inflation, but what is this stock going to be worth 3 years from now? I take this report and I condense it down into a briefing and then a podcast that explains it in great detail. And then I give it to you or make it available to you, as I said, on my tell sheet. And now I want to do more than just analyze those companies that I find. I want you to join my tribe and become a stock hunter as well. I've built a platform with the help of AI to allow my tribe members to help me find new stocks by nominating one new stock a month that we will give to my AI agents for further analysis. When we reach 5,000 tribe members, we'll be analyzing up to 5,000 stocks. Now, I know there's going to be some duplications and it won't be 5,000, but we will touch every opportunity that is available and we will share it with the tribe. That's the most efficient and investor-driven stock analysis available in the world. And you can have access to all of it for less than $1 per day. But I want you to experience it first. I want you to have the confidence. So I'm offering you a 14-day free trial at the new way of investing. Click the link in the description. Try the new way to invest. Let AI do the work while you make the gains.